Turn your passion into profit, from hobby to hustle. Do you love making things by hand? Do you find joy in creating unique items that reflect your personal touch and creativity? Do you dream of turning your passion into a business? You can. Imagine sharing your creations with the world and making a living from what you love to do. It's easier than ever to sell handmade crafts online. With the rise of e-commerce platforms, you can reach a global audience from the comfort of your home. Millions of people are looking for unique, handcrafted items. They appreciate the time, effort, and love that goes into each piece. You can reach those customers and start earning money today. Every order is a testament to your hard work and creativity. Many successful entrepreneurs started with a hobby. They took their passion and turned it into a thriving business. They loved creating and decided to share their passion with the world. Their journey began with a single step, just like yours can. You can do it too. With determination and a bit of planning, your hobby can become a successful venture. With a little effort, you can turn your hobby into a thriving business. Consistency and dedication are key. The first step is to identify your skills and interests. What do you enjoy making the most? What brings you the most satisfaction? What do you enjoy making? Is it something that others would love to buy? What are you good at? Your unique skills can set you apart in the marketplace. Once you know what you want to sell, you need to find a platform to sell it on. Research different online marketplaces to find the best fit for your products. Etsy, your online craft fair. Etsy is a great place to start selling your handmade crafts. It is a global marketplace specifically for handmade and vintage items. It's easy to set up a shop and start selling. Etsy has millions of active buyers. This means there is a huge potential market for your products. People come to Etsy specifically to find unique handmade items. Etsy offers powerful tools for sellers. You can manage your inventory, track your sales, and communicate with customers. You can also access helpful resources and support from Etsy. Etsy is a great option for anyone looking to start an online craft business. Setting up shop, a step-by-step guide. Whether you're a seasoned artisan or just starting out, this guide will help you navigate the process of setting up your very own Etsy shop. Setting up an Etsy shop is simple and straightforward. With just a few steps, you can showcase your handmade creations to a global audience. First, create an account on Etsy. This involves filling out a registration form with your details. Then choose a unique and memorable shop name that reflects your brand. Next, personalize your shop by adding a profile picture. This could be your logo or a photo of yourself. Write a compelling shop description that tells your story and what makes your product special. Make sure your shop looks appealing and professional. A well-organized display and a clean, user-friendly interface can attract more customers. Then, list your products with care. Take clear, high-quality photos of your items from different angles. Write detailed descriptions that highlight the features, materials, and craftsmanship of each product. Be sure to price your items competitively. Research similar products on Etsy to get an idea of the market rate. Consider your costs and the time spent making each item. Etsy offers different shipping options to suit your needs. You can choose from standard, expedited, or even international shipping. Choose the option that works best for you and your customers. Make sure to pack your items securely to avoid damage during transit. Finally, promote your shop to drive traffic and sales. Share your shop on social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest. Tell your friends and family to help spread the word. You can also use Etsy's marketing tools to reach more buyers. These tools can help you create ads, offer discounts, and analyze your shop's performance. Now you are ready to start selling your handmade crafts on Etsy. Celebrate your first sale and continue to grow your business by consistently updating your shop and engaging with your customers. Finding your niche. What's your craft specialty? Finding your niche is crucial for achieving success on Etsy. It helps you stand out in a crowded marketplace and connect with customers who are specifically looking for what you offer. A niche is essentially a specific market segment. For example, handmade jewelry, knitted scarves, or wooden toys are all niches. Each of these categories has its own unique audience and demand. By focusing on a particular niche, you can hone your craft and become an expert in that area. This specialization can set you apart from competitors who offer a broader range of products. Focusing on a niche allows you to target your marketing efforts more effectively and attract the right customers who are genuinely interested in your products. This targeted approach can lead to higher sales and customer satisfaction. To find your niche, start by considering your interests and skills. What are you passionate about making? What do you excel at? These questions can guide you toward a niche that aligns with your strengths and passions. Passion is a key ingredient in crafting. When you love what you do, it shows in your work and resonates with your customers. Think about the skills you possess and the quality of work you can produce. High-quality, well-crafted items are more likely to attract repeat customers and positive reviews. Research popular niches on Etsy to see what is currently in demand. Look at top sellers and trending items to get an idea of what customers are looking for. Additionally, look for gaps in the market that you can fill. Is there a demand for a specific type of product that isn't being met? This could be your opportunity to stand out. Once you have identified a potential niche, research your target market thoroughly. Who are you selling to? What are their preferences and needs? Understanding your audience is key to creating products that will sell. Knowing your target market helps you tailor your products and marketing strategies to meet their expectations. This can lead to higher customer satisfaction and loyalty. Understanding your target market will help you create products that sell. Happy customers are more likely to leave positive reviews and recommend your shop to others. Remember to be patient and persistent. Building a successful business takes time and effort, but with dedication, you can achieve your goals. It may take time to find your niche and build a successful business, but the journey is worth it. Stay focused, keep improving, and your hard work will pay off.